How to turn on battery saver on iPhone iOS 26. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. And in settings, we scroll down and tap on battery. Then scroll down and tap on power mode. Here, turn on low power mode. When you turn on low power mode, your phone will go into a battery saver mode, and it will basically temporarily reduce some background activities, processing speed, display refresh rate, and brightness, and so on. So it will restrict a lot of things, which allow your phone to save battery. So to make it handy, you can add low power mode to the control center. So if you open up the control center like this, then tap on the add button at the top here. This will go into an edit mode. Now we go down and tap on add a control. Then in here, if you scroll down to the battery section, you can find low power mode. Now you can also use the search button up here and then type in low. And here it is, low power mode. You can tap on it and it will add it to the control center. And from the control center, you can tap on it to turn on or switch off low power mode. So here we can swipe it down, tap on it to turn off low power mode. And there it is. So you need to touch and hold onto the icon. Then here, tap on it to turn on or switch off low power mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.